Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in home appliances. Today, we have an exciting review of what we believe to be the best sandwich maker grill on the market. The OSTBA sandwich maker, toaster, and electric panini press. Now, what sets this sandwich maker apart from the rest? Let's dive into the details. First off, let's talk about versatility. The OSTBA sandwich maker is not just for sandwiches, it's a 3-in-1 machine. It grills omelets, crisps French toast, and of course, makes delicious paninis. Talk about a versatile kitchen companion. And despite its compact size, it packs a punch with 750 watts of power, heating up quickly so you can enjoy your breakfast in no time. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the non-stick grill plates. No more scrubbing for hours. Simply wipe them clean with a damp cloth, and you're good to go. Plus, the LED indicator lights let you know when it's time to cook, taking the guesswork out of the equation. Safety is also a top priority with the OSTBA sandwich maker. The cool touch handle ensures safe operation. And the handle lock feature allows for easy storage and portability. But don't just take our word for it. Let's hear from some satisfied customers. As you can see, customers love the ease of use, quick heating, and crispy results of this sandwich maker grill. Now, you might be wondering how the OSTBA sandwich maker stacks up against the competition. Let's take a look. With its affordable price, high power, and rave reviews, it's clear why the OSTBA sandwich maker stands out from the crowd. So there you have it, folks, the OSTBA sandwich maker, toaster, and electric panini press. Whether you're craving a quick breakfast or a gourmet panini, this versatile appliance has you covered. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and be sure to subscribe for more reviews of the best products on the market. Until next time, happy cooking!